This is a quick movie just showing you how to set up two cameras, Photometrics and Q-imaging cameras inside StreamPix 4 for simultaneous streaming. We can do this with regular cameras or EMCCD cameras, but today I'm just using two Q-imaging Relera XR cameras. So the first thing to do is to go and select them as workspaces. So let's go Workspace, Workspace Manager, New Workspace, and I can call you Relera XR1. And I say you are a Q-imaging camera, and I'm going to say new workspace Relera XR2. Again, I just pick that it is a Relera camera. Okay, now from here I can actually just say done, and now I can see that I've got two cameras, both of which are currently live. There's no kind of controls, so what we're going to do is just go display, toggle multiple display, display, toggle docking panel. And this should allow me to see the cameras in particular ways, but I need to assign them. I need to say which ones I want to have each. So I go right click to display. So I'm going to go, you're going to be XR1 and you're going to be XR2. Okay. And we'll just say we want to do some adjustments on that. So let's just bring the exposure time down to something that's reasonable. So there's my camera 2. Click over here, adjustments. Again, let's just bring this guy down to a correct time. Okay, so they're both organized now. So I have my two frames. Now, when I start doing a movie with these things, they're going to be both actually running at the same time. So they're going to vary by the first frame rate. If you want these things to be absolutely bang on simultaneous to each other, you need to use a pulse generator and you need to sync the two cameras together. It's a very simple triggering application. We'll have a movie explaining how to do that exactly. But for now, these are both free running, and I'm actually trying to get them to run at the same time simply by having the same exposure time. So I've controlled my cameras, I can see both cameras, they're both running at the same time. So what are a couple of things I could do? Well, if you want to know how to set up a movie, we've already kind of done that, but I'm just going to say Control A, which means that both cameras are selected. And I'm just going to check my settings just as I did before. So Tools, StreamPix Settings. I'm just going to say Recording, Auto Create Sequence, Auto Name. Lovely, that's great. I have both selected, so now I can just press Record. And you can see down here, it's both of them say that they're pre and post record, so they're both recording. And I can just say stop. And I've recorded my two movies, and I can just say File, and I can say Open Sequence. And I have two folders, Relera 1 and Relera 2. So just look at Relera 1. I have my movie. I can just open that up. I can play through my movie, do what I want to do with my movie. And I can export that as I wanted to in any format. Export it out to pretty much anything I want. Sequence, everything. Okay. All very, very straightforward. Again, both cameras are allowing you, if we do that recording again, to record both cameras simultaneously and actually monitor what's going on. Again, quite a rare thing. Other things we could do, again, I can set this up for pre and post triggers. So let me just say on my customized toolbar that I want to have an action, trigger pre and post event, select that, and sort by chronological order, add that. Okay, get my two buttons, and under Tools, StreamPix Settings, I can actually say pre-post trigger, and we'll do 30 frames before and 50 frames after. So now I can monitor both cameras. Control A, as we know, locks them together. I can start doing my recording. And again, if something neat happens or we're ready to go, we press trigger pre-post. So let me just do that now. And it's now recording both of those cameras, trigger pre-post. Okay. All pretty straightforward. Really nice little basic application. Again, if you want these cameras to sync simultaneously, we really need them to be actually controlled by triggers, and an application note and a movie will follow from that. If you need more support on StreamPix, please contact StreamPix directly at norpix.com, or if you need information on the Photometrics cameras or Q imaging cameras which work with these products, please contact your local sales office or dealer. Okay, thanks very much.